Very good morning, children. Again, this is your English teacher. I am happy to continue the remaining lesson. In the previous class, I described the title Learning the Game by Sachin Tendulkar. I think I have given enough description about the title and his autobiography and everything. That is a wonderful bond between Sachin and his coach Achrekar sir. Like that we all saw in the previous class. I think I have finished the first page itself. Okay, let me sum up what we have seen. You see, the whole lesson describes how Sachin spent his early days with cricket and with his coach Ramkan Achrekar sir. How he happened to get along with Achrekar sir. Like that, I explained. From the early childhood days onwards, Sachin had a great dream of joining Mumbai cricket circuit, which means Mumbai cricket team. For that, he had to be better trained. For that purpose only, Sachin's brother Ajit took Sachin to Ramkan Achrekar sir's summer camp. In the previous class itself, I explained what was the selection process there. You see, he was only 11 years old when Sachin was trying to join himself in the summer camp. Then there should be a trial for the practitioners. There should be a trial for the participants or practitioners. Then the selection process should be made only by Achrekar sir. And this was the first time for Sachin to be present before people around so many, and he felt somewhat impressed or somewhat shy to give his best before the coach, and his first attempt failed to give the best. But knowing the well-known talent of Sachin, Ajit requested coach to give one more chance to Sachin. But this time the coach was not present before Sachin. He was somewhere and watching how Sachin doing his best. You see, for the second time Sachin was given the chance to bat among the others. Among others. You see, this time Sachin did his best and coach accepted Sachin to join the summer camp at Shivaji Park. This second opportunity only changed the life of Sachin. Like that I explained. Okay, let me go to the second page. You see, I sum up. You see, I read the lines. I scrutinizing me, or so I thought. I felt more at ease and soon started to hit the ball well. Eyes scrutinizing. Whose eyes scrutinizing me here refers to? Here it refers to scrutinizing means watching or examining deeply. Actually, the coach's eyes were examining Sachin very closely, and Sachin felt some kind of easiness when the coach was not there, and soon started to hit the ball well. And this time he did his best, and sir agreed to join him in the camp. He was delighted and must say it was an opportunity that transformed my life. You see, this second opportunity only transformed Sachin's life. And let me read the second stanza. The camp. What type of camp referred here? Which means the cricket practicing sessions. Which means the summer camp conducted by Achrekar sir. You see, the camp involved a session every morning and evening at Shivaji Park. In real, the cricket learning sessions was held in Shivaji Park. Sachin had a session and I would practice between 7:30 a.m. and 10:30 a.m. in the morning. You see, even from the morning itself, which means 7:30 a.m. onwards, Sachin started practicing up to 10:30 in the Shivaji Park in the morning time. Then I would come back in the afternoon and practice till late evening. You see, as it is a summer camp, he had the time only to practice in the Shivaji Park. After completing the morning session, which means up to 10:30, then he would then he would return home and could take rest for some time in the house. Then I would come back in the afternoon, and again after completing lunch he had to come back and practice till late evening. This was the serious routine of Sachin during the summer camps. You see, the timing 7:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. and there was another session in the evening. There was another session till the late evening. The schedule was rigorous. Rigorous means what? Rigorous means it is very difficult and hard. You see, the learning sessions, the practicing sessions were very hard to Sachin, and I would be exhausted by the end of the day. After completing 2 sessions of cricket practice in Shivaji Park, Sachin soon became exhausted. You underline the word park, exhausted. Exhausted means tired. Yes, of course, everyone can get tired after being trained 2 sessions in the Shivaji Park and exhausted by the end of the day. Traveling to Shivaji Park took 40 minutes from my house in Bandra. You see, from his house to Shivaji Park, there is a distance. He could travel for 40 minutes. It took 40 minutes from my house to Bandra, and I had to catch an early morning bus to make it on time. Make it on time means be present on time. Actually, his morning session starts at 7:30 a.m. and before that he had to travel 40 minutes of traveling, and he had to travel by bus only. So he had to catch the early morning bus to be on time. You see, for the first few days, Ajit accompanied me to get me used to the routine. As I was an 11-year-old boy, at the starting of the camp, my brother accompanied. You see the word accompanied. What is mean by accompanied? Came along, follow or escort, like that. As Sachin was a very small boy, Ajit accompanied him to get me used to the routine. During the bus journeys, he would talk to me about the nonsense of batting. Actually, while they were traveling in the bus, Ajit used to say some nonsense of batting. You see the word nonsense. Nonsense means in Tamil we can say nunukam. In other words, we can see this type of techniques. And what are all the little bit of techniques that make one better in batting? These are the things these two brothers talking while traveling to Shivaji Park. You see, and I always enjoyed these conversations a lot. As a small boy, Sachin enjoyed his conversation with his brother. In fact, the one thing that I have kept with all my career is a note that Ajit gave me containing some thoughts about batting. These early days to Shivaji Park, Sachin discussed a lot with his brother, and Ajit also gave some valuable tricks and ideas to Sachin. You see, I kept with me all my career. You see the word my career. Here, career refers to profession. Throughout his cricket career, Sachin keeping the words which given by his brother on those early days. அந்த பஸ்ஸில் ட்ராவல் பண்ணுற டைமில் தன்னோட பிரதர் சொன்ன சில வார்த்தைகளை தான் தன்னோட வாழ்நாள் முழுதும் தன்னோட கிரிக்கெட் கேரியரில் சச்சின் கீப் அப் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தார். இஸ் எ நோட் that Ajit gave me containing some thoughts about batting. Ajit giving some thoughts containing about batting. It served as a very personal coaching manual. Served as a very personal coaching, manual. Actually, apart from Acharya's coaching, Ajit also gave some valuable personal coaching to Sachin. Sachin kept it throughout his cricket career. You see the word manual. Manual means like guide. Manual means like guide. You see, he started practicing these lessons at very early age, and whatever his brother gave as an advice or as a technique, he kept it throughout his career. You see, I sum up the second stanza in Tamil. அந்த கேம்ப் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அந்த சிவாஜி பார்க்கில் நடக்கிற அந்த கிரிக்கெட் செஷன்ஸ் வந்து மார்னிங் 7:30 7:30 ஏஎம்லேருந்து 10:30 ஏஎம் வரைக்கும் ஒரு செஷன். ஆஃப்டர்நூன் கொஞ்சம் பிரேக். ஆஃப்டர்நூனுக்கு அப்புறம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஈவினிங் செஷன் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகும். லேட் ஈவினிங் வரைக்குமே அந்த ப்ராக்டிஸிங் போயிட்டே இருக்கும். ஷெட்யூல் ரொம்ப டைட்டான ஒரு ஷெட்யூல். ஏன் அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் 2 பார்ட்டாக அந்த 2 செஷனை அங்கே ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணணும். அண்ட் பிஃபோர் தட் 40 மினிட்ஸ் ட்ராவல் பண்ணி பந்த்ராவிலேருந்து ட்ராவல் பண்ணி அங்கே வரணும். யூ சி, டோன்ட் ஃபர்கெட் த வேர்ட் பந்த்ரா, வேர் சச்சின் ஸ்பெண்ட் ஹிஸ் இயர்லி சைல்ட்ஹுட் டேஸ். அண்ட் பந்த்ராவிலிருந்து இயர்லி பஸ்ஸை பிடிச்சி கேட்ச் பண்ணி போகணும். சின்ன பையன் தானே அப்படின்னு சொல்லி ஸ்டார்டிங்கில் கொஞ்ச நாள் அவர் கூட அக்காம்பனி மீன்ஸ் கம்மிங் ஒலாங் ஆர் ஃபாலோயிங் கூட வந்துட்டு இருந்தது யாருன்னா அஜித். அந்த டைமில் அஜித் நிறைய சில டெக்னிக்ஸ் எல்லாம் நம்ம சச்சினுக்கு சொல்லி கொடுத்தாரு. அதை தன்னோட கெரியர் முழுக்குமே அவர் சச்சின் அதை கீப் அப் பண்ணார் அப்படின்றது தான். யூ சி, I sum up the difficult words with meaning. You see, rigorous. Rigorous means difficult or hard. Exhausted. Exhausted means tired. Exhausted means tired. Accompanied. Accompanied means come along or came along. You see, nuances of batting, which means techniques of batting. And career. Career means profession. Career means profession. Then the another word manual. Another word manual. Manual means like guide. You see the following questions. What was the opportunity that transformed the life of Sachin? The opportunity that transformed the life of Sachin. You see, in the page starting itself, he explained what opportunity changed his life. Actually, sir, on receiving the request of Ajit, the coach gave another chance for Sachin, and at the second chance only Sachin did his best. That second opportunity only changed and transformed the life of Sachin. You see, what sort of conversations did Ajit and Sachin have while traveling? You see the words nuances of batting and some other things, and very personal coaching. These are the conversations Ajit did with Sachin while traveling. Okay, let me explain the other stanza. Let me explain the remaining stanza. You see, as a child, I had only one set of cricket cloths. You see, when Sachin doing his cricket practicing lessons in Shivaji Park, he had only a set of cricket cloths. He had only one set of cricket cloths. And what was the routine? You see the words routine. Routine means what? You see the word routine means usual activity. Routine means usual activity. As he had only one set of cricket class, he had a routine. What was the routine? You see the word, he had to wash them as soon as I would return from the morning session. You see, after completing the morning session, Sachin had to wash his only one set of clothes and let it dry up to the evening. And for the evening session, he used to wear the same wet and drained clothes. You see, while I had my lunch, the clothes would dry out in the sun. While Sachin had his lunch, the clothes would dry out in the sun, and I would wear them again in the afternoon. For the afternoon session also, he had to wear the same cricket clothes. The pattern was repeated. The pattern here, I can say the routine. The routine was repeated in the evening so that I could use the same set of clothes the following morning. And the following morning also he had to use the daily routine, and you had to wash the same set of clothes and let it dry throughout the night, and morning he used to wear the same set of clothes. You see, now he is the richest player in India, and very famous and well known player in India. But you see, from his early days, on his very early days, he had only one set of cricket class for doing his practicing lessons or practicing cricket. You see, this is the transformation of life. From this level up to that level, Sachin raised because of his hard work only. Okay, let me see the remaining. The system worked well. You see, the system worked well, and you all know what was the system. After completing one session, he had to wash and let it dry, and again wear it for the another session. You see, apart from my pockets, I once again read the line. The system worked well apart from my pockets, and everything everywhere was trained except the pockets. As we all know, நல்லா அந்த பேண்ட் அது கிரிக்கெட் கிளாஸ் எல்லாம் நல்லா துவச்சி வாஷ் பண்ணி காய வைக்கிறாரு. அடுத்த செஷன் வரத்துக்குள்ளே எல்லாமே காய்ச்சது. ஆனால் அந்த பாக்கெட்ஸ் அந்த ஏரியாவில் மட்டும் கொஞ்சம் கிளாத் ரொம்ப திக்காக இருக்கிறதுனால அந்த இடத்துல மட்டும் எப்பயுமே கொஞ்சம் வெட்டாக தான் இருக்கும், நாட் கம்ப்ளீட்லி ட்ரைடு. You see, the system worked well except my pockets. There was never quite enough time. There was no quite enough time for my pockets to dry out completely. அது ட்ரை ஆகிறதுக்கான கம்ப்ளீட்டாக ட்ரை ஆகிறதுக்கான ஒரு டைம் அவருக்கு கிடைக்கிறது இல்லை. And for the entire duration of the camp, I played with wet pockets. From the morning only he played without wet pockets. Then after then another sessions or the following session, he had to play with wet pockets. By the middle of the summer camp, Sir had started taking an active interest. You see the words active interest. And throughout this time, coach watched how willing and how enthusiastic Sachin, and how Sachin was eager in cricket. And after knowing all those things, the coach took an active interest in my batting at the end of 2 months. Throughout the period, which means throughout the summer camp that lasts up to 2 months. Towards the end of the 2 months, Sir took extra care to Sachin in his batting. And one more thing the coach did, you see, Sir informed Ajit that I had the potential to be a good cricketer. You see, this is the way of exposing our talent. That exposure of our talent only lead us to the path of success. You see, Sachin, without expecting everything, he showed his talent in the practicing session. But this was noticed by the great coach, and he made the talent to come out still better. You see, and the coach informed Ajit that I had the potential. You see the word potential. What is mean by potential? Potential means ability or skill. Sir identified or Sir discovered the skill in me to be a good cricketer if I practiced all year round. Sir came to know if I practiced throughout the year, I can be a best cricketer. Like that, Sir informed my brother Ajit. You see, I once again read the lines. There was never quite enough time for the packets to be dried. Out completely, and I always played with wet pockets. By the middle of the summer camp, Sir had started taking an active interest in my batting, and at the end of 2 months, informed Ajit that I had the potential to be a good cricketer if I practiced all year round. However, my school See, however, my school, the new English school in Bandra, did not have the cricket facilities, and sir was keen for me to change schools if I wanted to pursue cricket seriously. You see, this is the one more thing, this is the one more thing sir done something to Sachin. Actually, on seeing the talent of Sachin in cricket, Sir suggested one more thing, that you shift or you transform yourself, you transfer yourself to the another school, which means where the coach, where the sir, Acharika sir was the cricket coach. You see, in other words, I can say in New English School there is no any cricket facilities, and sir suggested change Sachin to some other school where the cricket facilities are available. You see, the words did not have the cricket facilities, and sir was keen for me to change schools if I wanted to pursue cricket seriously. If Sachin had a great passion for continue cricket seriously, it is better to change his school. Like that, sir suggested. You see, here keen means a great interest. Great interest. Pursue means follow. Pursue means follow. And this is what sir gave to Sachin. And let me see the questions. What routine did Sachin follow in washing his clothes? What routine did Sachin follow in washing his clothes? You see, after completing one session, he had to wash and let it dry, and again he had to wear the same clothes in another session. This is the routine. And what did Acharaiker inform Ajit? What did Acharaiker inform Ajit? Actually, sir informed Ajit that Sachin had a great potentiality to be a cricketer, and if it is better to practice throughout the year. And one more thing he added, it is better to change school for Sachin where the school had cricket facilities. That is what Sachin, that is what the coach gave to Sachin. Then let me explain the remaining stanza. One evening, sir called my father and put forward his suggestion. One day, our coach Acharika sir called Sachin's father and put forward. You see the word put forward. Put forward means proposed. 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 Sir proposed one suggestion. What was the suggestion? Ajit was in the room with my father at that time. At that time, when sir came to my father, and Ajit also along with them, and both accepted, my father and my brother, they both accepted that it was necessary if cricket was to be my priority. If Sachin had a great passion, great interest in cricket, it is better to change the school, and they accepted to change Sachin to another school. My father sat me down and explained that while he did not have any objections to my changing schools. You see, Sachin's father asked him if Sachin had any objections. See, the word objection means difficulties or disagreement. Objection means difficulty or disagreement. But Sachin's father asked him whether he had any disagreement or objection in changing school. Then I should do so only if I was really serious about playing cricket. You see, in these lines, the narrator explained how his father keen on changing Sachin's school if he had to pursue his career in cricket. You see, and the remaining part. I assured him I was, and so it was agreed that I should move to Sardasram Vidya Mandir, where Acharaiker sir was the cricket coach. Okay, after receiving the suggestion of Acharaiker sir, and father accepted to change Sachin to Sardasram Vidya Mandir, where I already informed in the previous class, in Sardasram Vidya Mandir only Ramkanth Acharaiker sir was the cricket coach. You see, I assured. You see, assured means confident. I assured my father I was, and so it was agreed that I should move to Sardasram Vidya Mandir. And so Sachin accepted his father's request and ready to move to Sardasram Vidya Mandir, and where Acharyagar was the cricket coach. You see, all my excess energies were getting channeled into cricket, which acted as a kind of safety valve. Here you have to remain and you have to underline how valuable these words were. You see, all my excess energies. When Sachin was moved to Sardasram Vidya Mandir, all of his energies, which means excess energies, were getting channeled into cricket. You see, if we want to pursue or if you want to achieve something, means we have to put forward, and we have to put all our energies in the same direction only. Like that, here the great coach Acharyagar sir channeled. You see, channeled means changed or diverted. All of Sachin's energies were diverted into cricket only by Acharyagar sir. You see the words, all my excess energies were getting channeled into cricket, and when Sachin joined Sardasram Vidya Mandir, he fully concentrated on cricket because of the guidance of Acharyagar sir. And one more thing, which acted as a kind of safety valve. I explained what is a safety valve. As it is a kind of device used to control the flow of liquids and gas. Valve means a kind of device used to control the flow of liquids and gas. In village we also knew what is a safety valve. If we have water to pass, means we can open the valve, and if we want to stop the flow of water, means we can close the valve. That is the safety valve. And you see the description of Sachin, all the energies were channeled into cricket, and whenever it wanted, the coach will open and the coach will close it, like as a kind of safety valve. I once again repeat the line, all my excess energies were getting channeled into cricket, which acted as a kind of safety valve. My father always said that all he wanted me to do was give it my best effort without worrying about the results. You see, the one more valuable advice given by his father. You see, don't worry about the results. You try to give your best in whatever we are doing. This is the wonderful an idea or message we can get it through Sachin's lines. You see, whatever we want to do, give it your best and don't worry and don't bother about the results. எதை நம்ம தேர்ந்தெடுக்கிறோமோ அதில் நம்மளோட பெஸ்ட் என்னன்றதை நம்ம அதை கொடுக்கணும். அந்த ரிசல்ட்ஸை பற்றி நம்ம ஒரி பண்ணிக்கவே வேண்டியது கிடையாது. வெதர் இட் வில் வின் ஆர் லாஸ், வெதர் வி கேன் சக்சீட் ஆர் ஃபெயில், யூ டோன்ட் வரி அபவுட் த ரிசல்ட். வாட் எவர் யூ வாண்ட் டு டூ, யூ டூ யுவர் பெஸ்ட். That is the advice given by father. You see, and there are some questions. What was the suggestion given by Acharyagar to Sachin's father? Actually, Acharyagar sir suggested his father to change Sachin to some other school, that is Sardasram Vidya Mandir. What acted as a safety valve? The coach Acharyagar sir's guidance worked as a safety valve to put all energies of Sachin into cricket, and this is what I explained in the second page. I once again sum up in Tamil. அந்த மார்னிங் செஷன் சிவாஜி பார்க்கில் பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் 7:30 to 10:30 AM வரைக்கும் நடக்கும். லஞ்சுக்கு அப்புறமேட்டு ஆஃப்டர்நூன் செஷன் அந்த லேட் ஈவினிங் வரைக்கும் போகும். ரொம்ப டிஃபிகல்ட்டான ஒரு ஷெட்யூல் அவர் ஃபாலோ பண்ணார். ஈவன் பிஃபோர் தட் 40 மினிட்ஸ் அதில் ட்ராவல் பண்ணி பந்த்ராலேருந்து ட்ராவல் பண்ணி சிவாஜி பார்க்குக்கு போகணும். இப்படியா தன்னோட இயர்லி டேஸில் இந்த ட்ரைனிங் செஷனை கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணார் அப்படின்றது தான். ஒரு நாள் அச்சரேகர் சார் அந்த ட்ரைனிங் பீரியட், அந்த ட்ரைனிங் செஷன்ஸ் போயிட்டு இருக்கிற டைம்லேயே அச்சரேகர் சார் சச்சினோட அந்த டேலண்ட், கிரிக்கெட்டில் இருக்கிற டேலண்ட் என்னன்றது அதை தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறாரு. உடனே எக்ஸ்ட்ரா கேர் கொடுத்து சச்சினை கவனிக்க ஆரம்பிக்கிறாரு. இந்த மீன் டைம் என்ன பண்ணுறாருன்னா, பிரதர்கிட்ட சொல்லி அவரோட அப்பாவை வச்சு ஸ்கூலில் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா சச்சின் இன்னும் நல்லா ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுவான், நல்ல ஒரு குட் கிரிக்கெட்டராக ஆவான், அந்தளவுக்கு பொட்டென்ஷியாலிட்டி இருக்குது அப்படின்றத அந்த சார் வந்து அதை இன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணுறாரு. அண்ட் சச்சினோட ஃபாதர்கிட்ட அவர் சஜஸ்ட் பண்ணுறாரு அப்படின்றது தான். அப்புறம் சாரோட சஜஷன் கேட்டதுக்கப்புறம் அஜித்தும் அண்ட் அவரோட ஃபாதரும் சச்சினை சர்தாசனம் வித்யா மந்திரில் சேர வைக்கிறாங்க. அங்கே சேர்ந்ததுக்கப்புறம் தான் அவரால் ஃபுல் டைம் அந்த கிரிக்கெட்டில் கான்சன்ட்ரேட்டிவாக விளையாட முடிஞ்சுது அப்படின்றது. ஏன்னா எல்லாத்துக்கும் காரணம் அங்கே இருக்கிற அந்த கோச் அச்சரேகர் சார். அண்ட் திஸ் இஸ் what I explained today. Let me see the remaining in another class. Thank you, students. I hope you better understood. Thank you.